The FN MAG is a general-purpose machine gun chambered in 7.62 by 51 mm, developed by the Belgian company FN, Fabrique Nationale, in the early 1950s. The development of the machine gun was initiated in response to NATO's requirements for a new general-purpose machine gun that could be used by all NATO member countries. The FN MAG machine gun was developed as a replacement for the outdated FN Browning M1919 machine gun. The new machine gun had to be more reliable, lighter, and more effective. The development of the FN MAG machine gun was led by the Belgian engineer Ernest Verviers. He used a gas-operated mechanism in his design, developed by John Browning for his BRM 1918 automatic rifle. The FN MAG also features a tilting bolt locking system, which was developed for the FN FAL. The first prototype of the machine gun was ready in 1953, and it was first introduced to the public in 1950. That year, it immediately attracted great interest from military specialists. It was adopted by the armies of Belgium, the United States, Canada, and other NATO countries. The machine gun has been updated several times. In 1974, the FN MAG 6020 variant was released, which received a lighter barrel and a new sight. In 1984, the FN MAG 6040 variant was released, which received a lighter barrel. The FN MAG is a powerful and effective weapon that can be used to engage targets at long range. The machine gun has a rate of fire of up to 950 rounds per minute and can provide continuous fire for an extended period of time. The machine gun can be used in various conditions, including tundra, deserts, jungles, and mountains. It has high reliability and can operate in the most challenging conditions. FN MAG is a general-purpose machine gun. It operates on the principle of gas operation. When fired, the powder gases produced by the burning of gunpowder in the cartridge case are diverted through a gas port in the barrel to a gas piston located under the barrel. The gas piston moves backward, driving the bolt carrier. The bolt carrier unlocks the bolt, and the spent cartridge case is ejected from the receiver. The bolt carrier then chambers a round from the belt into the barrel. The FN MAG bolt has a swinging lever, which locks the barrel in the receiver. When unlocking the bolt, the lever rotates and the lever lugs disengage from the grooves in the receiver. When locking the bolt, the lever rotates in the opposite direction and the lever lugs engage with the grooves in the receiver. The FN MAG has several features that ensure its high reliability. First, it is equipped with a gas regulator that allows you to adjust the amount of propellant gases used to cycle the weapon. This allows the operation of the mechanism to be adapted to different operating conditions, such as when the weapon is dirty. Secondly, the FN MAG bolt has a swinging design that ensures a tight locking of the barrel, which increases the accuracy of the machine gun. The FN MAG can fire single shots or bursts. To fire single shots, you need to release the trigger after each shot. To fire bursts, you need to keep the trigger pressed. The machine gun can also be mounted on various combat vehicles, which with a rate of fire of 650 to 950 rounds per minute expands its combat capabilities. The weight with bipod is 11 to 13 kilograms, and the length is 1,260 meters. The FN MAG has high firepower. It is capable of effectively suppressing enemy fire at a range of up to 1,800 meters and can deliver accurate fire at a range of up to 1,500 meters. The machine gun can also be used to destroy enemy personnel behind cover, as well as to destroy lightly armored vehicles at distances of up to 1,000 meters. It is also used as an anti-aircraft machine gun to engage aerial targets. FN MAG is a reliable and effective weapon that can be used in various combat conditions. It is one of the most widely used machine guns in the world and is used by the armies of more than 50 countries. It is also in service with the armed forces of Ukraine. The machine gun is used in various units, including infantry, motorized infantry, armored forces, and artillery. The war in Ukraine has shown this machine gun is highly effective.